Okay, this is my first workout at Crunch Fitness, and I'm going to do the mat pull down. Much joy and abundance, everyone, to your health and wellness. It all starts with movement. This is a recording of the first day that I was at Crunch Fitness, and I uploaded some short videos prior to this here recording, so please check those out. I am so pleased to be at this here new gym, and this gym was formerly Experience Fitness. However, Crunch Fitness has really leveled it up big time. Now this one I have never done before, so I won't be swinging high, but I will be swinging low. We'll definitely come back to do this one again. I really enjoyed it. I felt good, actually. I always have a problem jumping up there. Yeah. Hanging is okay, but jumping up there. Let me see. I didn't see how low it was. I like that Crunch Fitness pull-up bars are lower from the ceiling. Just jumped up on a pull-up which bar, makes it much easier for me to jump up on. Actually, you can nearly just stretch and reach it depending on your height. I know pull-up bars in other gyms that I visited or was a member of was just way too high for me. And being that I had a problem with my right shoulder, made it really challenging and made me not want to jump up there. So I am so pleased with Crunch Fitness pull-up bars. TRX. Much joy and abundance to you. Make sure that you come back for a continuation recording of this here same day. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. Click that like button, smash that like button, or just make out that you're Rocky Balboa and just punch the like button. It all starts with movement.